Welcome back. I am your Mr. Englishio. Take a deep breath. You've come a long way. Now you can speak about yourself, ask questions, describe things around you. That's real progress. Today, we learned something very useful. We will talk about what you have and what you don't have. This is something you use every day. First, quick revision. Repeat with me. This is my phone. That is big. This is small. This is good. Good. Now, today we add just 2 new words. Have no simple, but powerful. Let's start with have. Listen, I have a phone. I have work. Repeat. I have a phone. I have work. Good. Now let's use it with you. Listen, you have work. You have food. Repeat. You have work. You have food. Very nice. Now let's learn no. This word shows you don't have something. Listen, I have phone. I have no phone. Repeat. I have no phone. Good. Now I have no work. I have no food. Repeat. Excellent. Now let's combine with what you learned before. Listen carefully. I have a phone. This is my phone. I have no work. I feel not good. Repeat slowly. Very good. Now let's make real-life sentences. Listen, I have food. I want to eat. I have no money. I need help. Repeat. Perfect. Now let's practice like real speaking. I ask, you answer. Ready? Do you have food? You say, yes, I have food. Do you have work? You say, no, I have no work. Do you have phone? You say, yes, I have a phone. Very good. Now a small conversation. Listen, do you have food? Yes, I have food. Do you have work? No, I have no work. I need help. Please help me. Now you repeat, excellent. Now understand this. You can now talk about what you own, what you don't have. Ask simple questions. Give clear answers. This is daily English. Now your practice for today. Speak 5 sentences about your life. I have a phone. I have food. I have no money. I want to work. I need help. Repeat 5 times. Then change them. I have no food. I feel good. Make it personal. Remember, use your real life. Don't just repeat. Feel what you say. You are not just learning English. You are using English, and that is the real goal. In the next lesson, we will learn how to talk about likes, dislikes, and choices so you can express what you enjoy and what you don't. Until then, keep speaking, keep practicing, and keep moving forward. You are doing something powerful.